Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Well, hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's video, we find ourselves in a courtroom where a Moorish Sovtard is going through an arraignment for domestic violence charges, and, well, the Moorish Sovtard brings out the big guns to try to get one over on the judge. But does it work? Let's find out together, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get this freaking S-show on the road, shall we?
Who is the individual? And sir, what is your name at the jail?
I'm Roman Bill. I mean, I can place my status on the record if you like.
Yeah, hold on one sec. Yeah, I'll get to you. 1 second. I need to look over some things. Are you representing yourself?
No, sir, I'm not representing myself. I'm presenting myself.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, do you have is a court-appointed attorney going to be speaking with you, or are you going to have a retained attorney?
No, sir.
Hey, calling case Tom King 25 William Boy 00474 in the matter of Roman Curtis Campbell. Mr. Campbell, would you please state your name for the record?
Yeah, I like to state
Just tell
my
me your
name.
name. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, all I have to do is say it.
I'm Roman Curtis Campbell, a natural person for life.
Okay, let me ask you this question, Mr. Campbell. Let's try not to talk together. I mean, I'm going to allow you plenty of time to talk because I have to. But are you representing yourself here today? You don't need an attorney, or you want an attorney?
No, sir, I'm not representing myself. I'm presenting myself. I don't need another man.
So are you presenting yourself? So you don't want an attorney, you're presenting yourself here today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir, for that.
You're welcome.
You're charged with domestic violence, as I've indicated. MCL 750.81. It carries a maximum penalty of 93 days in jail, possible fines of $500 and/or both, not including any court costs. I am going to enter a plea on your behalf of not guilty on this offense. You will be given an additional, and you're also charged with refusal for collecting fingerprints and data, which the court is ordering that you do that. As I've indicated, I'm entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf for this matter. I'll indicate that you're self-representing at this time as well. I do have some other conditions for you before I set bond. You're not to have any direct or indirect contact with Marissa, Maurissa Smith. You're not to return to the premises known as... Celeste Road.
That's my home.
I'm gonna keep going, and then I'm gonna take all your questions at the end. So,
Dude, you abused your partner in your own home. She has every right to stay there until she can find a place to get away from your sorry ass. So don't act like the damn victim when clearly you most likely created a victim, you dipshit. And hiding behind these Moorish Sovtard incantations and all that isn't going to help you either.
Road, West Bloomfield. You will not assault, beat, verbally harass, intimidate, or threaten any potential witnesses. Person may appear for all court proceedings. Do not leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court, and immediately notify the court in writing of any change of address or phone number. You need to provide the court with a valid address within 24 hours of your release. Do not leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court. You will not possess any firearms or other dangerous weapons. You shall refrain from using alcohol, any form of THC, illegal drugs, or using any medication. You must contact pretrial services within 24 hours of your release. That's at the 48th District Court in Bloomfield Hills. Pick up no new criminal offenses. And I understand you're self-representing yourself here today. The court will set a bond in the amount of $1,500 cash surety, no 10%. Sir, do you understand your bond, what I've read off to you, your bond conditions?
Yeah, I understand all of that, but all of that.
Okay, now I'm going to take your questions right now. Thank you very much. So what question do you have for the court?
Can I place my status on the record, sir?
Absolutely, sir.
Okay, I'm Roman Curtis Kempiel. I'm a natural person in full life, in propria persona, sui juris or habitus. My nationality and citizenship being Moorish American national, unconditional heir, apparent vessel for the Moroccan Empire.
Right.
Oh, really? Okay. You're a vessel of the Moroccan Empire, which is tantamount to saying, well, absolutely nothing. And don't you dare bring up the Treaty of Peace and Friendship, because if you do, I'm gonna blow a gasket.
I come at Northwest Mexum, at North America, North Gate, Turtle Island. I come under protection by way of Treaty of Peace and Friendship.
Oh, come on now, dude. The Treaty of Peace and Friendship that you Moorish Sovtards tend to tout, you really should read it because it has nothing to do with your situation right now. It has more to do with, well, trade on the high seas, you dumbass.
1836 between the United States Service Corporation and the Moroccan Empire. I also would like everybody else that's involved with this matter to place their status on the record so that it can be noted. And also, I'm not representing myself. I'm presenting myself. Not only that, I'm not standing a surety to Roman Curtis Kemp Hill in all capital letters, ins legis, corporate entity. So that be noted for the record, please, sir.
How about it be noted for the record that you're a complete and total moron because everything you just said is complete BS. The United States being a corporation? Yeah, total BS. You guys don't know the difference between a corporation and a nation. In addition, that Sovtard strawman argument of there being the corporate self and the living self is also total garbage because your corporate self is not exactly going to serve time for you. I mean, somebody already tried that, and well, the living self ended up getting arrested and the paperwork got left behind.
I also reside in domicile at. That's my address. That's my home. The defendant, witness, or whoever that is, Marissa, she doesn't live there, and so that's where I was kidnapped from. That's my home, sir.
Okay, and I will allow you to go back there one time and one time only with a police escort to obtain some minor personal property. That's with a police escort only. Otherwise, you cannot go back to that location. You have another court date coming up. Your next court date is going to be your pretrial date. That date will be provided to you prior to you bonding out. If not, you're going to have to contact the 48th District Court in Bloomfield Hills. Other than that, best of luck to you, sir. Officer, we're all set here. Thank you very much for your time.
If I could, Your Honor, we would like the refusal of the booking process that he not be released until that is completed.
Absolutely. He must submit, as it relates to the booking, he must submit to the booking processing in this information, including fingerprints, which is the biometric data. He must provide that information prior to release as well. You're all set, officer. Thank you.
So I'd like one more thing, sir. I'd like to invoke my treaty right to consular jurisdiction. I've been asking someone to be that's competent in the notification and access manual, and I haven't been given that right. My rights have been violated as far as all of that's concerned. Also, so
okay, make sure you mention that to the judge when you see the judge. So thank you very much, sir, for that. And officer, we're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, must submit the.
Yeah, dude. Like I said, you really need to read the Treaty of Peace and Friendship. It'll only take about 5 minutes for somebody that's a competent reader because it's not that long. Once you read it, you'll realize the treaty does not grant you in particular any special rights and privileges, you dipshit. I mean, come on now. Stop drinking the lead paint and get it out of your head and start using that brain for something other than a doorstop. And then maybe you'll be somewhere. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
This could be some groundbreaking stuff right here.
You don't want to go to jail.
For what?
You read this.
I don't have to listen to
Read it.
anything. Blah, 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 blah.
Dude, so there's no way I can get in, bro? Come on, I'll put you on my YouTube.
But shut up, Wesley.
You gotta put signs up, ma'am, if it's...
Are you Glenn Serio?
Who's that?